kasing ang mindset, ako. Wala nang ako. Tayo.
I-voice out mo din sa partner mo that you have this dream and you want to achieve this dream with your partner. There will come a time na baka mamaya gusto mo yung isang bagay but it's not the right time. So, pag-uusapan niyo. Kasi nandun din yung factor din minsan na parang yun yung reason mo kung bakit ka nag-enter into relationship.
Binitawan mo yung...
binitawan pa. Or, yan din naman yung ginagawa ng iba na parang I won't choose love kasi gusto ko yung career. Kaya,
kung binitawan mo para sa partner mo, then tanggapin mo kung ano maging consequence or good or bad. Tanggapin mo, ginawa mo yun eh.
So, you already decided that. Dapat, kalimutan mo na talaga yung pangarap mo.
Yeah. Or, isisisi sa partner mo. Parang yung sa movie
at the onset of your relationship, parang i-voice out mo din sa partner mo that you have this dream and you want to achieve this dream with your partner.
Yeah.
Dapat kasi yung intention is pure. Yung intention mo is you want your partner and you want to achieve this dream. Life will teach you if you really can achieve both or kung hindi mo naman pala kailangan yung dream na yan.